Your Excellencies, let me stand on the already established protocol. On behalf of the Conference of Speakers of State Legislatures of Nigeria, I extend our sincere appreciation to the leadership of the National Assembly for inviting the conference to participate in the 2026 National Assembly Open Week. This commendable initiative has become an important platform for promoting openness, transparency, accountability, and meaningful citizen engagement in the legislative process. It reflects our shared commitment to strengthening democratic governance by bringing citizens closer to the people themselves. As partners in Nigeria's legislative and constitutional architecture, the National Assembly and the State Houses of Assembly share a common responsibility to enact responsive laws, strengthen democratic institutions, and advance good governance. The National Assembly Open Week is a timely reminder that strong democratic institutions are built on openness, accountability, and meaningful engagement between elected representatives and citizens they serve. By fostering dialogue and encouraging greater public participation in the legislative process, these initiatives strengthens our democracy and deepens public confidence in our legislative institutions. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, insecurity remains the greatest challenge confronting our nation today. While effective legislation and sound public policy are indispensable, lasting solutions require sustained engagement with the people and stronger collaboration among governments, legislation, security agencies, traditional institutions, civil society organizations, development partners, and local communities. Security is a shared responsibility, and through collective action, we can build a safer and more peaceful nation. The ongoing constitutional amendment process presents a historic opportunity to strengthen our federation and improve governance. In this regard, the Conference of Speakers commends His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his steadfast commitment to addressing Nigeria's security challenges through institutional reform. We equally commend the leadership and members of the National Assembly for their vision, patriotism, and unwavering commitment to the ongoing constitutional dedication of state policing and devolution of power. These efforts reflect a genuine determination to strengthen our federal system and build a more secure, responsive, and effective governance for our country. If adopted and faithfully implemented, these constitutional reforms have the potential to strengthen Nigeria's security architecture, improve intergovernmental coordination, bring governance closer to the people, and reinforce the principle of true federalism envisioned by our Constitution. The Conference of Speakers stand ready to continue working closely with the National Assembly, the Presidency, and all relevant stakeholders, including the NGA, to ensure that these reforms ultimately serve the best interests of the Nigerian people. As constitutional partners in this important national endeavor, we remain committed to supporting reforms that deepen our democracy, strengthen our institutions, promote peace and security, and advance sustainable national development. Once again, I congratulate the leadership of the National Assembly for sustaining this laudable initiative and wish all participants fruitful and productive deliberation. Together, let us continue to strengthen our democratic institutions, secure our nation, and build a federation that truly serves the aspiration of every Nigerian. A secure Nigeria requires not only strong institutions, but also strong partnerships founded on trust, collaboration, and active citizen participation. Thank you for your kind attention, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.
Ombudsman Radio. Justice for all.